Students, I am Mrs. Dr.K.G and here we are begin with the new chapter Excretion and Osmoregulation. So it's about the chapter number 15. So let's begin. So in our body different chemical processes are occur and sum total of these processes is actually called as the metabolism. So how can we define the metabolism? Metabolism is the sum total of the chemical reactions of biomolecules taking place in an organism. Okay, so the sum total of chemical reactions taken place in the organism is called as the metabolism. So this metabolism is nothing but metabolism equals to, we can say, catabolism plus anabolism. So what is the equation there? That metabolism equals to catabolism plus anabolism. So metabolism consists of catabolism and anabolism, means catabolic processes are there and anabolic processes are there. So what mean by the catabolic? Catabolic means breaking down. And what mean by the anabolic? Anabolic means to building up. Okay, some are constructive, some are the destructive processes are taking place in an organism. Okay, inside the body of organism, we can say. So catabolism is the breakdown of larger molecules into the smaller ones. Okay, and anabolism means the synthesis, is the production, okay, building up of larger molecules from the smaller one. Okay, so these catabolism and anabolism, or the catabolic and the anabolic processes, are just involved in the metabolism. Okay, metabolism produce variety of byproducts, some of which need to be eliminated. And why? Because these byproducts are harmful, hazardous, toxic for our body. Okay, if these byproducts stay in the body for the longer time, it having the adverse effect on our body, isn't that? Yes. So such a byproducts may be again called as the metabolic waste product. Okay, so whatever the byproducts are just produced by the metabolism, they are what? They are again called as the metabolic waste products. Okay, so metabolic waste products might be fluid, maybe that is in gaseous form, or organic and inorganic one. So depending on the type, these are eliminated. These byproducts are eliminated through various organs of the body of an organism. Okay, so let's see first excretion. Excretion is the process of elimination of waste product from the body. Okay, so the process of elimination of waste product or the waste material from the body is called as the excretion. Excretion helps to keep a constant internal environment, that is called as the homeostasis, isn't that, in the body. These are the some excretory organs in human. Okay, so kidneys are there, lungs for just excrete out the carbon dioxide which is toxic to our body, skin through the our sweat, whatever the extra different salts are there, excessive salts are there, they just eliminate from the body. Okay, liver. So this is again having the its own role in the excretion. Okay, now again these are the same. So different organism having the different organs. Okay, the human being having the kidney means the mammals or the higher animals. or evolved organism having the kidneys. Okay, but another organism like insects, they having the Malpighian tubule. Okay, and another having the protonephridia, nephridia in case of flatworms and annelids. Okay, so all these different animals having different type of excretory organs. Here some excretory organs are given, that is the protonephridia or the flame cells are present in the platyhelminthes, means the flatworms, example planaria, and the other one also rotifers, some annelids, and the cephalochordates like amphioxus, it having the protonephridia and the flame cells as the excretory organ. Then where the nephridia we found the nephridia in earthworms and the other annelids. Malpighian tubule is the another excretory organ which is found in most of the insects, like just like a cockroach. Then the antennal gland or the green gland are present in the crustaceans like a prawns, and the kidneys in the higher animals like fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, mammals, means the invertebrates. Invertebrates means in case of vertebrates, we found the kidney as our main excretory organ. Okay. So these are the waste product. Okay, water and carbon dioxide that are produced from the degeneration of organic molecules. Nitrogenous waste product like ammonia, urea, and uric acid, which are the result from the protein degradation. Means whenever there is the breakdown of the protein occur, that just results in the formation of ammonia, urea, uric acid in the body, and these are not advantageous for our body. These are hazardous. Okay, if they leave or stay in our body for a longer time, isn't that? So it is the need to excrete this nitrogenous waste product. Okay, so there are some materials that are not considered as the excretory product, that are the undigested food that goes out of the animal body in the form of feces, because it leaves the body without passing through the plasma membrane. The nitrogen in the air, which enters the lung in inspiration and leaves them in expiration, because it enters and leaves the body without passing through the plasma membrane. Excretion in man. So the important excretory organ in the man's body are skin, afterwards lungs, kidney, liver. The important waste products of the human body and the organs that are responsible for their excretion. Here the excreted material is the carbon dioxide. The excretory organ is the lungs, means the carbon dioxide is excreted through the lungs. Then the water through the skin, kidneys, and lungs. Again, the excreted material are nitrogenous waste products. The excretory organ to just excrete this nitrogenous waste are the kidneys, skin, okay, in the small percent. Excreted material are the salt, and they are excreted through the kidneys and skin. Then the different spices, okay, they are excreted by the kidneys, lungs, okay, from the lungs as the volatile substances. Excreted material are the poisonous material. The excretory organs are the kidneys or the liver, okay. So in which the poisonous material are transformed into non-poisonous form in the body or into non-soluble forms. Okay. So in this way, by the different way, these excretory products are just eliminated out. In the next lecture, we will focus on the ammonotelism, ureotelism, uricotelism, that is nothing but the what? that are the types of different different excretory material, different elimination of nitrogenous waste product from the body. Okay,